All right, this is gonna be the final ride. It is way under the floor. Oh, there we go. Jesus. Wow. What the heck? Okay. Well, whoops, gotta close the outer door. Jesus. This thing's a pain to close. Anyway, down a B. Jeez. All right, the way down wasn't too bad. There you can see, I think those are the governor cables. This looks like the Traveler. Traveler's held on by zip ties. No, I think these are the governor cables. Is the other one? Yeah, it looks like that's the other one. And then I think the counterweight's back there. There's Mr. Security. Jeez, that camera's old as shit. Oh, my fucking flash is on again. Oh, no, it's not. All right, and check this out. Illinois Elevator Company. All right, so, yeah, I'm gonna be silent on the way up. Y'all are gonna see why this thing's getting modded. It's slipping. Fuck. This is kind of scary. Holy shit. Yeah. This thing's messed up. Jesus. All right, one more ride, and again, I'm going to be quiet. Yeah, the motor struggles and slips on the way up. That's terrifying. But anyway, the door just doesn't latch. Also nice. Anyway.